Hello, I'm going to show you a quick little thing that I use in my stream with the Mix It Up bot for Twitch. So what I like is interaction with my stream. And one of the ways I do that is by rolling stats for a Dungeons and Dragons character. So I'm going to show you how I've created that in Mix It Up. So if you want to create something similar or use the ideas off of it, you can. So let's dive right into it. So first things first, we need to roll the race. So roll race. What it does is that randomly we'll grab one of the races. I've got humans in there multiple times because it's more common. There are several types of elf because they are common, more common so than others. Tiefling, because who doesn't want to be an elfish human with horns? And then just some of your other races that D&D has. So this rolls randomly. The way that Mix It Up does is right here, random line from file. So it grabs one line from each, or one line from the file, and then it holds it in the program as race. So that makes it real easy to roll race, which I should have that here, but then it reads another one. So this is the 3d6. And the way I've got 3d6 set up, oh, that it's 3d6 drop the lowest. Or not drop the lowest, re-roll ones. So you can't roll any lower than a 6 if you're re-rolling ones. And there's only one option for a 6. That's 2, 2, 2 on each die. There's no other way to get a 6. So what I've done is I've removed every option that has a 1 on any side of the 3 die. That way, this should be equal to rolling 3 dice and re-rolling ones, and that the bell curve just kind of goes in the player's favor, kind of centering around 12 or 13. And so that one gets rolled for each strength, dex, constitution, intellect, wisdom, and charisma. Then I've got a little sneak where it checks to see if you rolled perfectly. According to some Reddit post from 5 or 6 years ago, that's going to be something like 0.0004%. But since this gets rolled every single stream, anywhere from 2 to 20 times, and I stream about 4 days a week, I figured that's something that might happen. So I've got it in there. If they roll perfectly for 18s, it gives me a special identifier for yes. We'll come back to that. And then, depending on the race, so if they are a centaur, dragonborn, half orc, minotaur, mountain dwarf, orc, turtle, it checks. Does it say, is it one of these? It can be any one. That's what this means. It can be any one of these. As long as it matches one, something's going to happen. And in this case, it's going to add 2 to the strength. And so I've marked it as a math expression so it doesn't just do print out, strength modifier, which would be, say 12 or something that randomly rolled up here plus 2. It does a math expression, and it takes the new spot for the strength. And it does that for each one, for each race. Then we roll for class. So the class doesn't add anything on this one. What it does is it finalizes. And then if it's perfect, so this one, if it does not equal, then they just rolled, wow, user rolled stats and now they are a, you know, Minotaur barbarian with such and such stats. If they are perfect, it says yes, perfect. Whoa, username, holy-ish, you just had a perfect roll. You are, and then it tells them. And I've even got it. So this just goes into my file. And I've got it to play a sound. Oh, I don't have it set up to record. But that's okay. It works on stream when that happens. And let me show you in chat how this looks. So here is my chat. It's live. Test it. There it is. So, wow, Michael Zapp rolled stats, and now they are a halfling fighter with stats strength of 11, dexterity 13, constitution 14, intelligence 10, wisdom 9, and charisma 16. For a halfling, charisma 16 seems right on the nose, but not so much for a fighter. And then what's real cool is in my stream, I'll give people quests, either just randomly with what they've got right there, or what I can do is if they visit my channel, Twitch channel points, I can give them a quest. So the giving them a quest goes a little bit further. So it does the same role, but then it gives them items and tells them what their saving throws are, dependent on the class. And then it gives them a small encounter, so a random encounter. And I will ask them, they're in stream, how they would like to respond.